Nung hinuli ang former president, obligasyon ba ng PNP na dalhin si president before a judicial official? Kasi yun yung sinasabi nila. Teka, yung Roman statute, sabi nila pag hinuli, kailangan dalhin muna sa RTC. At yung RTC mag-i-issue ng warrant of arrest. Tama po yan kung miyembro tayo ng ICC. Di ba, nag-withdraw na tayo noong 2019. So how can you now invoke yung provision na yon ng Roman Statute? Hindi naging obligasyon. Pangalawa, ang sabi ng Roman Statute, present the accused before any judicial authority. Dito sa Pilipinas, pag sinabi nating judicial authority, kala natin korte. Doon sa Roman Statute, ang judicial authority pwedeng piskal, pwedeng prosecutor, hindi necessarily korte. Nung hinuli ang former president, nandoon si Prosecutor General at doon siya present ng PNP. So nag-comply ang PNP sa requirement na yan kahit hindi tayo member. Section 59, Article 59 of the Roman Statute, illegal daw yung arrest because hindi dinala sa proper judicial authority. Under again the Roman Statute, dapat talaga dalhin yan. Pero what is the purpose? Number one, para tignan kung ito yung tao na hinahanap ng ICC. Pangalawa, kung tama yung proseso ng pag-aresto. And pangatlo, kung ang karapatan niya was respected. All this was determined by the Prosecutor General. No? Hindi korte talaga ang interpretation. The Prosecutor General was there, so compliance na yan. At pangatlong ang rason dyan, hindi nga tayo membro ng ICC, so hindi natin pwedeng i-invoke na ito. Pag ang heinous crime na-i-file sa ICC, meron bang batas, sariling batas ang Pilipinas para i-sustain or i-confirm yung jurisdiction ng ICC? Meron tayong Republic Act 9851. At ang 9851 is the Philippine Act on Crimes Against International Humanitarian Law, Genocide, and Other Crimes Against Humanity. Under Chapter 7, Section 17, sabi ng batas, 9851, in the interest of justice, the relevant Philippine authorities may dispense with the investigation or prosecution of a crime punishable under the Act if another court of international tribunal is already conducting investigation and prosecution of the same. So dito kinilala ng Pilipinas, pag meron ng investigasyon ang isang international body, ibibigay na lang sa kanila yung investigation and prosecution. So covered by a local law itong ICC arrest through Interpol.